Instagram just dropped a brand new repost button in the latest update. But do you have a problem where you can't see it or it's missing? This new feature lets you share your favorite posts and reels so your friends can actually see what you're enjoying, and it even has its own tab on your profile. But if your repost button is missing, stick around, because in the next minute, I'll show you exactly how to make it appear and start using it today. The repost button is located right next to the like and comment options below a post. You can see that it looks like two little arrows, and when I tap on this, it will repost the content to my profile. But if you're not seeing this button anywhere, then hop over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and simply open the Instagram app there. You'll have to make sure that the Instagram app is fully updated to the latest version, since this is a new feature they just introduced. So tap on the little update option right here, and then wait a minute or two until the latest version of Instagram is installed on your phone. This is a quick and easy fix for this problem. And once you do this step, the button should appear, and you'll be able to repost content on Instagram. Now keep in mind that not all posts on Instagram are repostable. If you bump into a post from a private profile that you follow, you won't be able to repost it. That's because the account must be set to public in order for the repost option to work. So if you have an Instagram theme page and you want to repost a photo from your personal profile, then you'll have to make your account public within the Instagram settings. Another thing that might cause the issue is your country or region. Sometimes Instagram rolls out new features for some accounts and locations first, but for others at a later time. So if you don't see the option, even after updating the app to the latest version, and even after switching to a public account, that simply means the feature isn't available in your region yet. The only thing you can do is wait a few days or weeks. Keep updating the app regularly, and the button should appear very soon. If you have any other fix for this, please leave it in the comments below so others can see it, and I'll see you in the next video.